Guys, I am from grade 2. Today I make a some figure of ascending and descending order. Please look at the picture. This is ascending and descending order. Do you know about ascending and descending order? Okay, don't worry. I tell you. The order in which the number are arranged from smallest to greater is called ascending or increasing order. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The order in which the number are arranged from greater to smallest is called descending or decreasing order. Example: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhima Khanai from class 2. I study in Sri Bhagwati Academy. Good morning everyone, I am Krish Bandari from class 2. I am going to have a small interaction with my friends. I will ask them a few questions and let's hear their thoughts. So, what is your name?
My name is Bhima Khanai.
What is your school name?
My school name is Sri
Where do you live?
I live in Singapore.
What is your student school name?
My school name is Chandra Kumar.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is singing and cycling.
What do you want to be in our future?
I want to be a doctor.
What is your country name?
My country name is Nepal.
What is your country name?
My country name is Asia.
What is your district name?
My district name is Duki.
Who is the first
Ram Karan Yadav.
Who is the first Prime Minister of Bhutan?
Vishnu Prasad Koirala.
Which is our national bird?
Dr. Boros.
Who is our favorite scientist?
Mahavir Phule.
Who is the first Prime Minister of Nepal?
Mushin Thapa.
What is your province name?
My province name is Sripati.
How many districts in Sripati province?
9.
We celebrated Constitution Day.
We celebrate Constitution Day every year for also.
Which is the longest suspense bridge of Nepal?
Bajara Sadan.
Which is the biggest lake of Nepal?
Dada Lake.
Which is the longest river of Nepal?
Kotan.
Which is the deepest river of Nepal?
Narayani.
Which is the biggest district of Nepal?
Dulpur.
Which is the biggest temple of Nepal?
Janaki Temple.
How many countries in Asia constitute?
48.
Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Ganesh Pat from class 2. I study in Sri Bhagwati Academy. Today I am going to say the name of all 77 districts of Nepal. Paschim Province, Bhojpur, Dhankuta, Ilam, Jhapa, Kotang, Morang, Okhaldunga, Paskar, Shangkhuba, Soga, Sansari, Solkumbu, Tatlejung, Terathum, Udaipur, Modest Province, Bara, Dhanusa, Mohtari, Porsa, Rotor, Sorotari, Sorahi, Sira, Bagmati Province, Bhaktapur, Chitan, Dading, Dolkha, Kathmandu, Kadiklang, Lalitpur, Bhopalpur, Nuwakot, Ramesab, Rasuwa, Sindule, Sinduplang Chok, Gandaki Province, Baglung, Gorkha, Kashi, Longzung, Monang, Rustang, Magdi, Nolpur, Parbat, Sangja, Tanau, Lumbini Province. At the Odda Khachi, Bake, Bortia, Dang, Gulmi, Kapil Bostu, Palpa, Putan, Rolpa, Rupande, Karnali Pradesh, Dolpa, Humla, Jazarkot, Jumla, Kalikot, Rubu, Rupum, Samat, Surekhet, Sudapasim Pradesh, Assam, Boykodi, Bojang, Bazura, Dodendura, Dartula, Dorki, Kailali, Thank you.